day 4 of the Ninja Pants Sew Along, sponsored by Sew English Fabric. I'm Laura, and we are going to hem our Ninja Pants and attach that waistband pocket. Let's do it. All right, so here we are. We are ready for day 4 of our Ninja Pants Sew Along. We've got a couple different things going on today. We're going to hem our pants, and we are also going to attach our key pocket to the inside of our adult version. Okay, so let's start with hemming. Hemming is very easy. So I'll move this to the side. You'll do the same thing to all of your pants. So let's go ahead and turn our leggings wrong side out. Just makes it easier. Oops. Okay, so we've got the bottom of our legs here. And what we're going to do is we are going to fold up each of these all the way around 1/2 inch, and we're going to press them and probably clip them because we want to keep them in place. And then we are going to hem them using a zigzag, stretch stitch, or cover stitch. And that's it. And we'll repeat that on all of the leggings that I'm making today. Okay, now that I've got them all turned and pressed and clipped, I am ready to head over to my cover stitch, which is what I'm going to use, or you can use a sewing machine, use a zigzag, twin needle, or stretch stitch, and we're gonna hem all 3 pairs of leggings. Alright, so I'm going to turn each pair of my pants right side out and make sure I've trimmed my threads all properly, and then I'm going to press. Okay, so the last thing we need to do today is we need to attach our key pocket to our waist, our upper rise here. Okay, so hopefully you can see that I've got my key pocket here. Looking all fancy. We're going to place the pocket in your desired location on the inside of the pants, with the wrong side of the pocket facing the wrong side of the pants. So if I want my key, say, in the back, okay, it's all a matter, this is all preference, there's no like guide here. Do what is most comfortable for you. So if you like it in the front, you're going to say you want it in the front, you're going to line it up like this. This is the back of the pocket. This is the front of the pocket, and you want to be able to open this and put your key or whatever in there. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put it in the back here. So I'm going to probably right about here, or I could put it in the side. Ooh, gosh, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to line up these raw edges with the raw edges of my pants. Again, this is all preference. Put it wherever you want. All right, now I'm going to baste this in place. I'm actually going to use my serger, but you can use your regular sewing machine and just baste it with a long straight stitch across here just to keep it in place for when we put our waistband on tomorrow. All right, so I'm going to sew that on. I'll be right back. I forgot to press record so that you could watch me do that, but here you go. All right, now we are ready for day 5.